Thank you, everyone, for being here. It's really super exciting to see this amazing group of people gathered together today. So thank you for being here and being part of it. For those of you for whom this might be the first, your intro to Code for Canada, I'll say a little bit about what we do. We're a nonprofit that we've been around for almost 3 years now. We describe our work as being about building digital capacity in government and building civic capacity in the tech and design community. We have 5 programs to help us do that. If you were here last night, you saw presentations by our third cohort of fellows and their government partners. That's part of our fellowship program. Our other programs are Civic Hall Toronto, which is a membership-based program about helping to build collaboration and learning between folks across sectors using human-centered design, agile, other digital practices. Also Grit Toronto, which is a civic usability testing program to help lower the barriers to doing usability testing of digital products and prototypes. We've also got a Civic Tech Community Network, which is supporting the work of civic tech volunteer community organizers across the country to be bringing civic tech events and programming to their local communities. And finally, an education and training program where we deliver workshops and other kinds of educational programming for both public servants and for people outside of government to help them understand how to better use technology, data, design in ways that are in the public interest. We've been looking forward to this for such a long time, and I think our hopes for today, for the summit, are that this is an opportunity for us to sort of come together as a community of practice to dive into the details a little bit of this work that we know as practitioners that a lot of those that so often the details are so important, and it's often difficult to find the opportunities to get into talking about those details, those challenges that we might face in doing this work, in doing technology work, in doing change work. And so this is our chance to do that. I really, the way that we've designed the sessions, the way that we programmed it has been very much trying to put a focus on getting away from generalities, and to showing the work wherever possible, to sharing stories and case studies of the work. And sharing our learnings, and so I hope that the structure of the sessions today really helps enable that kind of sharing and learning. That you're able to make connections with folks, locally or from across the country. We've got a really excellent group of folks from all over here today, and so I hope that you're able to come away from the summit with something that you're able to take back to improve your own work. Thank you again for being here. I want to take a moment to once again thank our sponsors and supporters who help make this event possible. Our government supporters from the Canadian Digital Service and from the Canada School for Public Services Digital Academy. Members from both of those teams are here. They're around today. Please find them and say hi and elbow bump them. They're doing really excellent work. And thank you also to Artscape for hosting us in this really excellent space, and to their teams for helping make everything go as smoothly as possible today. Finally, to our media sponsor, Say Yeah, they're going to be doing a bunch of video interviews today and putting that together into a post-summit video for us. So thank you to all of them. Please join me in thanking our sponsors and supporters. My last job is to introduce our morning keynote speaker. We've been really inspired by the work that's happening at the Institute for Innovation and Public Purpose at the University College London in the UK. that the IIPP was founded by Mariana Mazzucato and has assembled a really stellar group from the public and private sectors to collaborate on creating policy and shaping markets to allow us to tackle societal challenges. Central to that is to challenge our conventional thinking about public value and the role of government. We're thrilled to have Rowan Conway with us as our morning keynote speaker. Rowan is part of that stellar group at the IIPP and leads their mission-oriented innovation network. She helps policymaking institutions to rethink the way that they create and nurture public value through collaboration. And before that, she was the Director of Innovation at the UK charity, the RSA. It's a privilege to have her here with us today in person. So please join me in welcoming Rowan Conway.